everyone, welcome to the video. And in this video, I will show you how you can set up Bruno on your Mac system. Go to use Bruno official website, go to download page, and as you can see, we recently launched a major release Bruno version 2.4.1. So just to have a or to improvements and breaking changes. And for the Mac users, you can go to support different options, just like if you have Mac M1, M2 series, so you can go with Mac Apple Silicon. For the normal downloads, you can Mac and portable version. Depends on your use case, how you want to use. And we also support Homebrew, which is a Mac OS package manager. So you can simply copy this command and open your terminal, and you can simply paste this command. It will install the Bruno for you. And once your Bruno is available, you can go to your application section. Yeah, the Bruno is available now. Go to applications and it's available now. So when you install a Bruno first time, it will show you that Bruno is installed from the internet. You would like to open, yeah, yes, you would like to open, and Bruno is available for you. So you can just create a collection, you can open a collection, you can do bunch of stuff, you can explore the app, whole thing, open API stake, you can use Chrome Dev Tools, Bruno Dev Tools. So right now we install the Bruno to the Homebrew. So right now I will show you how you can install Bruno through a silicon file, which is a .dmg extension. So we are done with the terminal installation. So right now, if you go to download this file, we need to download. It will available soon. So yeah, file is downloaded now. You go to and open a folder. So you have to double click on it. You have to drag this to the applications, and yeah, right now it's go to applications. So it's available now, and yeah, can play around it and see all the preferences also. So this is how we can set up all the preferences. So this is how you can set up a Bruno through the installation and the Homebrew, the package manager view for the Mac. So you can do the both way. It totally depend on use cases, which one you want to select. So I just show you how you can set up. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next.